Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Okay, we have an unboxing today. I'm very excited. I have joined a group where I'm sent some products to review. And so I'm going to be showing those to you in some unboxing videos, and I'm really excited about this. So let's unbox today's. All right, I got a little unboxing. I'm excited for this one. This is just a cord for my phone that I ordered. I'm going to get this one out and show you this. I'm so excited. So here it is. I'm so excited. Out of the box. And it is a solar phone charger. It's supposed to be 4-in-1. So we've got that one, and charge my iPhone. And I don't know what that is. But yes, I got the solar charger. I'm very excited. We're going to give this a try out. But I'm super excited about this. So this is it. It is a charger. I've charged it for a whole day. It has the lights on here. I haven't figured out how to make those work. I got to read the instructions. This port does work for charging your iPhone. And then it has the 4-in-1 charging cords. The iPhone cord also works. I've been charging my iPhone with it. It's got the heavy duty rubber bumpers. So if you drop it, it protects it. This is the nice solar thing. It's not the glass that gets all gunky. So that is kind of cool. It is Longu. So there you have it, Rebel Canners. This is the latest product I've been sent. And I like it. It's a little heavy for hiking. I wouldn't take it in my backpack. But yeah, so I'm going to take this camping, where I'm car camping, where I'm not going from campsite to campsite, and I think it will be really nice for that. So I want to thank the company for sending this to me. You have a great day. See you in the next video, Rebel Canners. Don't forget to check out other videos in our home gardening series.
Like, follow, and share. Turn your notifications on. See you back in another video.